Welcome to J&J's test video for LLBU181. This is a 1990 Buick Reatta, 126,000 miles, has a dark garnet red paint on it. Pretty faded, but it can be buffed back out. Has a really nice running 3800. These are real strong, stout motors. Running, driving, just took a little bump in the bumper and that was the end of it. You walk around. It's not a bad car. Interior's a little worn out. Just a old GM. Taillight works, needs a little buffing. The driver's seat works, the cluster works, all that's good. The driver's seat, all the power functions work. All the tilts and everything. And there we are. 126,616. Holds good oil pressure. And that cluster works too. Your heater control, that all works. Headlight switches, your headlights work. See how that? All that. Show you the transmission. Drive. There's reverse. And this little light down here made me laugh earlier. It says, come on, electrical problem. Huh, that's probably confidence inspiring. Two-seat Buick Reatta. Camaro, Alante, Fiero, and the Alante, or the Reatta. And that'll do it for this old girl. LLBU181, a 1990 Buick Reatta, dark garnet red, 126,000 miles, running driving example. You can visit us on our website, jnjoh.com. You can check us out on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everything at J&J Auto Wrecking. You can call us toll free at 1-800-425-1555 with any questions or orders you'd like to place. And as always, thank you for watching and supporting us, and have your pets spayed and neutered.